Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is today's breakdown for the 1st of October 2024. Guys, as you know, we come into the chat at 7 a.m. looking for relative equal lows and relative equal highs. So when I came into this chat, price pushed up and started selling off. Then I saw this relative equal lows that was created here, and price pushed up after creating it and then displaced through this. When price displaced through these equal lows, I knew that price was going to continue bearish. If price had took these equal lows and started displacing up, then I would look for buys. But price displaced through these equal lows, so that told me that price wanted to continue bearish. So when price displaced, it made this fair value gap. I took 10 contracts. I think my stops was above here, and then price started going in my favor, and then price started reversing on me. When I saw price was around that area, I put my stops to break even. Guys, I'm going to try to leave my stops at not put my stops at break even, because more time than less my trade end up going in my favor instead of break even. So guys, I'm counting on you guys to hold me accountable for keeping my stops where it is until at least a 1 to 2 get hit before moving my stop, because more time than less my stop my when I move my stops to break even, the trade end up going into profit or hitting at least 1 to 2. And this was a marvelous trade that I missed this morning because I moved my stops to break even. So when I took this trade, my stops was either above this high. Even if it was above this high, it wouldn't have taken me out. But I think I put it above this high. So price started reversing, took me out at break even, reverse up, and then broke down, guys. And then price just melted. If you guys saw NQ this morning, it just plummeted down. So after taking me out at break even, guys, I saw this relative equal lows got run, and then started displacing up. So when I saw that price displacing up close above this high, giving me a market structure shift, I waited for price to come back down into this fair value gap to take a trade, and then price just melted back down, taking me out, giving me a loss. And then, guys, when I saw that price took these highs and continued displacing down, close above these relative equal lows here, I knew that price wanted to go down. So I took this first fair value gap entry here, taking 7 contracts because I didn't know if this was going to be a breakaway gap. So I took my entry here, placed my stops, I think above this candle here. I placed my stop above this candle here, and sorry about that, above this candle here, and then price started reversing, and then price started reversing up to this Reaper Fair Valley gap. This Reaper Fair Valley gap is the Fair Valley gap that took the first Fair Valley gap when price go to take out liquidity. So this was an inverted Fair Valley gap, and price was holding up nicely in this Fair Valley gap. And just before market open at 9:30, price displaced, and again, guys, and again, guys, and again, I took my entry right here. When start displacing down, I roll my stop to break even right here, about that area. Yeah, I roll my stop to break even, and knowing that this price might come back up to this fair value gap. But the reason I rolled my stop to this to break even at market open, I didn't know if price wanted to come back up to take out these highs before going down. But if I have just left my stop at least above this Reaper Fair Value Gap or this inverted Fair Value Gap, I would have caught a nice move, guys. Look at this. Price just melted down this morning, melted down for hundreds of points. Hundreds of points, price melted down. So guys, I'm going to try to hold myself accountable to either taking a loss or taking at least a 1 to 2 RR before moving my stops to break even, because more time than less, my TP get hit, or at least 1 to 2 get hit. So guys, I want you guys to hold me accountable as well. If you see that I upload a video where I was stopped out at break even and price end up going in my favor, comment under and hold me accountable to to keeping my stops where they are until at least 1 to 2 get hit. It's either I take a loss or I get a 1 to 2 RR. So going forward, I'm going to try my best to do that, and I need you guys to help me to do this as well. And this YouTube channel is not just for you guys; it's also for as a channel for me to go back to watch the areas where I went wrong and to document my trade. So this was a beautiful trade, guys. I'm still mad at myself for at least putting my stop to break even at this. I should at least place my stop above this fair value gap, or at least this candle here. I would have gotten this beautiful trade at market open at 9:30 here. Price just melted down. So I'm still, Father, I'm disappointed, and trust me, guys, I missed this trade. I missed this trade, and I'm very disappointed. So I took this 2 break even and 1 loss today, guys. This was the first trade, was a break even. If I'd left my stop above here, I would have, or at least here, if it was here, I would have cut this trade and cut this the remainder. And for this one, if I've left my stop above here, I would have cut this trade. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.